So GoPro has finally uploaded the teaser showing that they will be releasing two cameras. That is, one is obviously 360 camera, as I told you in my previous video, GoPro Max 2, and other one is another product. A lot of people were thinking that it is GoPro Hero 14 because it does look like GoPro Hero Action camera, but it is not Hero 14. It is their type of nano camera. It is similar and it has flash in front instead of display. It has flashlight. So it is their type of nano camera, and they are releasing on the same date as DJI Nano. So they are now all of the action camera companies are competing in the similar cameras. Like Insta has Insta 360 Go Ultra or Go 3S. Now DJI releasing DJI Nano, and now GoPro is also releasing. I don't know the name, but it is smaller and but little bit bigger, but just a smaller version of a action camera. So there will a lot of competition, and it is very exciting. So stay tuned. And another thing is DJI Nano cameras full specs are leaked, and I'm going to read in front of you what are the specs. I'm going to tell you what are the specs. So stay tuned for that. So these are the specs overall, and it says that it comes with 1.1 over 1.3 CMOS sensor, and FOV is 143 viewing angle. About video capability, it can record 4K 4 by 3, and it does not have 60 FPS in 4 by 3, but it has 50 FPS it can record. But in rest of the things, it can record in 4K 60. For slow motion, it can record 4K 120 and 180 into 40 FPS, as I told you before in my previous video. I'm telling only the important things. You can read the rest of the things which seems important to you. Camera capacity is 530, and the multifunctional vision dock has 1300 milliampere hour battery. Camera can record 90 minutes, and with the camera and multifunctional vision dock, the port that is with it, it can record 200 minutes. And it comes with Wi-Fi 6.0, and it has Bluetooth. The camera alone Bluetooth has 5.1 and dock has 5.4. Camera is up to 10-meter waterproof, and dock is IPX4 rated splash resistant. Leaked images of Osmo Action 6 is also surfacing, and this is not how Action 6 will look like. This is the testing model. Rumors suggest that Action 6 will be releasing mid-October. Expect 8K resolution and real-time integration with smartwatches. So this is it from today's video. If you want more leaks and more tech videos, please subscribe to support this channel. Thank you so much.